If you want to connect your Voiceflow template to the likes of Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Telegram, just like in this video here, then stick around because I'm going to show you how. But before that, my name's Ibrahim and I run an AI automation agency called AI Boosted, which helps businesses get custom tailored AI automations made for them to help slash costs and save time. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Starting off with your Voiceflow template, what we want to do is make sure that all buttons are 20 characters or less, and they're attached to intentions as well. This is so that if someone says, for example, I want more results, it doesn't just say, sorry, I didn't understand that. It actually catches the intent and routes them accordingly. And secondly, because ManyChat doesn't allow buttons over 20 characters, it's the same in this method as well. So you want to make sure that all your buttons are under 20. Then once you're done with that, you can hit publish and just show you what we're gonna hook up to Instagram. Here you've got a e-commerce chatbot with all the bells and whistles, including carousels and buttons and whatnot. Once you've done all that, you want to head over to my resource hub, which I'll put the link for down in the description below. And you want to click on Voiceflow Converter Template, which will take you to your Voiceflow dashboard and clone the converter template for you. Now, what this essentially does is it acts as an API to convert all your Voiceflow output into outputs compatible with ManyChat, Instagram, and all these other social media platforms, which you'll see in a second. So once you've cloned the converter, you want to click on Designer, go into the home flow, hit publish like so. So you might be wondering what this converter template does. And all it does is it just uses some code to basically take in any incoming requests, turn them into voiceflow requests, then use the chatbot, get the results back, and turn them into ManyChat blocks, like the ones we see here. And this is all based off of the ManyChat dynamic block. You can go ahead and read the docs as well on this. And basically, it just tells you everything that you can use, what social media platform you can use it on, and all the formats that you can use, for example, for text, video, carousels, and whatnot. So I do recommend you check that out just to see what's compatible with the social media platform you want that on. And all this code is based off of these docs over here. So if you find anything confusing, you can always refer to these. Once it's published, you want to go get the API key, copy that API key, and we want to save that for later. Then you want to go into the AI Boosted Resource Hub again and click on the make.com template to download that. Then go into your Make account, create a new scenario, and import that template like so. So we're going to hit on Choose File, Blueprint, and Save. Then you should be presented with this. If we go here, you want to click on Add a Webhook and name this anything you want, for example, ManyChat Converter. And then you want to hit Advanced Settings and click on Yes for JSON paths through. Once that is done, you just hit Save. And then you want to copy the address to the clipboard as well and save that for later. Now take that converter template key from before, copy that and place it right here, like so. Then you want to go into the other HTTP request and go to your ManyChat dashboard, click on Settings, API, and copy your API key, like so, and replace this with that. Then once you're done, you can hit save, and then you want to turn the webhook on like that. Then you want to copy your webhook URL to save that for later. Once that's copied, you want to go back to the resource hub and you want to choose the ManyChat template using actions if you're going to use WhatsApp, which is a bit more limited. I'd recommend this for text-only applications, and you want to use the dynamic block for the rest. So in this instance, I'm going to use the dynamic block, and what you want to do is you want to click on it and copy the template over to your page. Once you've done that, you'll get something like this, but for Instagram. But for this video's purpose, I just want to show you how to convert between different channels. Say you want it for Instagram instead of Facebook Messenger. What you do is you just go back, you click on the triple dots, and then you click on convert channels and select, for example, Instagram. Once that's all converted, you'll get the one for your platform. And all you want to do is you want to just take the this bit here and paste in your webhook URL, just like that. Then you want to go over to body, change the platform name to the platform that you're going to put this on. For example, Instagram for Instagram. Make sure it's all lowercase. Then your content ID, which should be in the URL right around here. Copy that and then paste it in here. Then you want to get your main Voiceflow template key. So just go back to your main Voiceflow template that you want to link to Instagram or any of these social media channels and get the API key just like we did for the converter, and then just paste it here. As for these other body parameters over here, we've got show quick replies. You want to set that to true for Instagram and Facebook Messenger, and false for Telegram and WhatsApp, just because they don't work there. And use buttons. Buttons are basically the bigger version of quick replies. They're just underneath the text instead of above the keyboard. You want to set that to true for WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. And for show reply suggestions, what this does is it shows a message at the end with all the options and basically prompts the user to type one of them in the chat. I would set this to true if use buttons or show quick replies aren't working properly. Last but not least, we've got first message pass through. Basically what this does is when set to true, it will ignore all the initial messages sent when the Voiceflow template is launched, and it will only send the response from after those messages. Then you want to hit save. Hey everyone, Editor Ibrahim here. I just forgot to mention that you need to change the authorization header to the converter API key within the actions external request that's circled right now. And back to the video. Then what you want to do is add a trigger, so just click on set live like that, and then you want to go to settings. Now for this automation, I'm doing it on Instagram, so let's just click on Instagram right here, and we want to select a default reply. So click on basically your flow. So for me, it's this one, and then you want to just pick this automation. Once you've done that, just go back to it, and you want to make sure that it is set to trigger every time instead of every 24 hours. And then once that's done, every time the user basically messages you, it will use this flow and basically go to your Voiceflow template. Now all that's left to do is just test it out, and I've got a video here demonstrating it on Instagram. And if you want a custom tailored solution like the one you've seen in this video, then do check out the description below, where there'll be links to book a discovery call or check out our website. And if you enjoyed the video or found anything valuable within it, then please do like or subscribe, as it helps the channel out a lot. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to link a Shopify product catalog to your Voiceflow agent's knowledge base to provide true AI product recommendations. And with that, I'll see you in the next one.